wonderful children. How are you? I hope you must be good, taking care of yourself. Now you see these days it is becoming very cold. I hope you are keeping yourself warm and obeying your parents. Now children, you see that your holidays are over. Now we'll be starting our studies seriously. So I hope you also gear up yourself and take your studies seriously, because very shortly your final exams will be approaching. Now before the school had closed, children, your holiday homework was given to you. Make sure you complete your holiday homework. Don't take it lightly, take it seriously, because it is going to be marked on 50 marks. It is 50, not 5 marks. Like in half yearly we had marked for the copy, it was a less mark, but 5 marks. But for your final, you are getting 15 marks for your copy work and your holiday homework. So make sure children you complete it, right? And when you are doing it, keep it in mind that you do it systematically, properly and neatly. Take help from your parents, they are going to guide you. Now next, today I am going to start with the lesson 22, that is comparison of adverb. We have studied in our previous class what is adverb. What is an adverb? Adverb is used to modify a verb or an adjective or any adverb. It helps us to modify the verb, adjective or any other adverb. We have also studied the kinds of adverb, that is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how. The sentence tells us how often it takes place. Now adverb of time. Adverb of time, it tells us when. The sentence tells us when that incident had occurred. Adverb of place, where the incident had occurred. The sentence which is telling where the incident had occurred, it is called adverb of place. Adverb of frequency means how often the incident has taken place, how frequently, how often the incident has occurred. The fifth is the adverb of degree. Now adverb of degree tells us how much. It tells us how much incidents had taken place, how much the incident had affected us. Now after this, I am also going to discuss one more part of speech, and that is, let's see. Now we have studied in adjective, that is adjective of degree, right? Remember when we want to compare something, the adjective. Now in the same way, when we are comparing the adjective with degree, right? So it is called comparison. When we are comparing the adverb with degree, right? So it is called again comparison. So in the comparison, when you are comparing adjective or adverb, so it is being bifurcated. The comparison is bifurcated with 3 parts. That is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. It is same. The rules goes, whatever the rule goes for the adjective of degree, the rule goes also the same for adverb of degree. That is comparison, and they are compared with 3 parts degrees, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So children, like adjective, when we are comparing, we classify the same, we compare with 3 degree, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Right? In the same way, in adverb is also compared in degrees, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Suppose the word is soon, though we are going to add ER in the comparative degree, it becomes sooner. Superlative degree, you are going to add est, that is soonest, right? So there are more words as a faster, fast. Fast will become faster for comparative degree, and fastest will become for superlative degree. When the word is positive degree is adverb, that is ending with ly. So it will become more widely for comparative degree and most widely for superlative degree. It goes same with whatever the rules are for the adjective, right? Now, some words are exceptional where we have to change the last word, right? Like early. Early will become earlier. We will remove y and write ier, earlier. For superlative, it becomes earliest, earliest, right? Now, there are some irregular verbs. We will see next the irregular verb. Now, for the irregular verb, we will see what it is for the comparative degree and superlative degree. So words like for irregular word, adverb like well will become better, better, and best, right? Well, better, best. Then badly, 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 for bad, for adjective, the verb, the comparative and superlative word for bad is bad, worse, worst. If it is badly for adverb, so what it will become? Bad or worst over here, because badly is what? Adverb. So worst, W-O-R-S-T, this is W-O-R-S-E, sorry, worst, and superlative will become the worst, W-O-R-S-T. Now much, the positive degree for much, the comparative degree for much will be more, less, more, and for superlative degree it will become most, M-O-S-T. Very good. Now, if the word is little, what it will change to? It will change, the comparative will become less and superlative will become least. Right? Far, further, furthest. There are some more which I will be attaching in your PDF. So go through it. This chapter is very small and mark scoring also. Right? So prepare it well, and this is what I hope you must have understood what I have taught you. Go through the lesson very carefully and have a good day and complete your work. Bye.